Hi, and welcome to Property Service Atlanta. My name is David Campbell. I am the broker of Property Services of Atlanta. Today we're going to talk about a touchy situation, is what is classified as normal wear and tear. This has been a battle for years and years and probably years to come. What you think is normal wear and tear and what a tenant thinks is normal wear and tear is very, very different. Normal wear and tear basically is really just about being fair. We want to hold tenants responsible for issues that they're responsible for. If they go out there and they paint walls pink, then they should be responsible for bringing those walls back to its neutral color. If they go out there and kick holes in doors and stuff like that, of course, that's not classified as normal wear and tear. That's just damage to a property. We use a move-in, move-out condition report, which is done on every single move-in that we have, and you should do the same thing if you're managing your own properties. When the tenant moves in, you go through the property in detail. I mean, from the front of the house to the back of the house to every single room in that house. If there's any flaws in that property, you want to basically put it on that move-in, move-out condition report. When those tenants move out, you take that same exact report that they signed on the move-in, and you basically go back through and make the same exact notes. Well, here's the condition. The walls look like this, and now they look, you got damage all over. The kids have drawn on, crayons or whatever the case may be. Another thing, take lots of photos. You need to take photos when you move the people into the property. You need to take a lot of photos when you move the tenants out of the property. You have to ask yourself, what will hold up in court? Property Service Atlanta has been around for 18 years. Yes, we've been to court many times regarding tenants. And, we kind of know what works and what doesn't work. We basically have kind of created a formula, and kind of like a car battery scenario. If you're going out there to property, the tenant's been in the property 3 years and they're paying $1,500 in security deposit, we basically say a paint job should last for 5 years. We just divide it by 5 and come up with a number for 5 years, per annum amount per year, and then just give them credit for those 3 years that they've been into it, and then they would be left with the balance due for those last 2 years to have that property rented. And that seems to work well, and it seems to work okay with the court system, depending on the judge and the county that you're in. A lot of questions come to normal wear and tear. The main thing is try your best to keep it out of court, try to come up with an agreement and settle it. Always be willing to talk to the tenant after they move in. You get what's called a statement of security deposit report. State of Georgia has laws to how that report has to be done within the time frame it has to be done. And if you don't do it within that time frame, you would lose basically the security deposit up to 3 times the amount of security deposit as well. So you need to make sure you know the law again. If you have any more questions regarding this, please give us a call and we'll go over it in details. Thank you very much.